Hi Shayla, it's Leslie. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. If I'm not, please make sure to correct me in an email. I did get your email about the Chapter 1 simulation training, so I wanted to go over a couple things. I'll show you what I see, and then maybe we can discuss it further if it's not something that you find helpful, or if you need, certainly if you need additional help. I did notice on your overview assignment that I believe you're using a Mac, so I did want to just point out this item right here. It's right when you come into My Lab IT, and if you scroll down, there are some Excel keyboard shortcuts over here that might be helpful to you as well. I just wanted to make sure that you were aware of that. Okay, so let's go into our Chapter 1 folder, and I'll go ahead and click on the Excel 1A simulation training, and you had questions on number 12 and 13. So once this opens, I'll go ahead and just go directly to the those questions. So I just clicked on View All, and I'll scroll down here and then select number 12 and click Launch. Okay, and I do have to go through all of the items on here just so that it allows me to do all of the steps. Okay, so it says click anywhere in the chart title, so I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll type in. You can't really hop around on parts of the question. Make sure I spell everything right, because that is something to make sure to do. So second quarter cardio sales, I'll press enter. Okay, so now click inside the chart border. So we just want to click so that we've deselected the chart title, but I still have my chart selected. So when they say just inside the border, kind of in a blank area over here. And then I do get these items that I can choose from, and it wants us to go to chart styles. So I'll go ahead and click on chart styles. And then when this comes up, here's the scroll bar over here that I can scroll down a little bit to locate style 6. And it gives me this little tooltip here so that I know it's the right one. If I put my mouse pointer, I'm just hovering my mouse pointer, it says style 7. I'll go back to this one so I know it's style 6. Excuse me. So if you're not seeing this toolbar, maybe you can send me a screenshot of what yours looks like, and I can take a look at it. So once you've scrolled down to style 6, we'll go ahead and click that, and then in the color area it wants us to choose the third row of colors. Whoops. It would be helpful if I really did click the right one. Okay, and then position the chart. So we're going to just put our mouse pointer in here and just drag it over a little bit so that it comes up to around A10. Okay, so that's question number 12. And then on question 13, now I know there are some differences between Mac versions of Office, programs and PC versions. But in the simulation, I'm thinking you should be able to see the choices. So again, I'm just going to go over this one, and then you can let me know if there's something different that maybe we need to look at. So it says select the range B4 through D7. So I'm going to start here on B4 and go all the way through D7. So that's starting over here and going all the way to D7. And then it says on the Insert tab in the Sparklines, so Insert tab in the Sparklines area, I'll go ahead and click Line. And then I'm going to set the location range as F4 through F7. When you're typing these in, you don't have to capitalize, but just make sure that you're typing like the colon there, not a semicolon, etc. So just make sure that you're typing, the parts right. So I'll go ahead and click on OK, and then put that information there. Then I'll go over here to the Design tab, and in the Show group, they want us to show the markers, so I'll go ahead and click that checkbox. And then also in the Style group, they want us to click the More button, which gives us a bigger listing of options. And then in the first row in the third style, I'll go ahead and click that. And then I think that's it for question 13. So let me know if this is helpful, or if you need any other help with it. If you do know how to do a screenshot, maybe you could do that, and you could send it to me and I could see what's going on your screen. Or we can, I do have an online office meeting area that we could meet there, and I can also share my screen. You can share your screen, and maybe we could do that. Okay, so let me know if this helps. Okay, thanks so much.